now I'm headed to Cork in Ireland to link up with my guy Sesh Nolan. You might have seen his videos on TikTok, his beats are crazy. We're gonna have a studio session together, hopefully we can make something sick. Alright, so I'm here in Cork, I'm with my guy Sesh Nolan.
What's good?
And we're just gonna get straight into cooking up. So what type of vibe we're feeling today?
I think we definitely got to get some guitar in there, maybe some Spanish vibes, some Latin vibes, maybe turn into drill in or some shit.
Sounds about right, he's sick on guitar. There's a few guitars around us, so let's get into it.
This is my baby right here. This chord progression, it sounds really good, but it's just like simple. It's minor.
Yeah, and you've got that, so that finger's covering all of those strings.
Yeah, so you're using this as like almost like this thing here.
Right.
You're just kind of bringing it up.
So it'd be like...
Yes, and then
that,
using...
and then but I can't even stretch my hand like that.
But you need to catch this one too. Yeah.
That feels weird. I think I know what you mean, but it's just like hard to get to it. It's like that, and then covering those.
Yeah, and then just making sure you get that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Doesn't sound anything like it.
I don't know.
I'll leave that bit to you.
Should we do an iPhone recording for the first one? Like two of them kind of like that, pointed at the guitar. We can pan them left and right then, and it'll make for a better sound.
I got you.
It's worth a shot.
A stereo recording.
For sure, yeah.
3, 2, 1.
We can kind of just take the best ones out of them, basically.
Yeah, perfect.
See how it goes. If you hear anything, let me know, just if there's anything fucked up about it.
Yeah. Alright, so we quickly had to time stretch it in Logic, but we're back in the best DAW now, FL Studio.
Let's go.
Let's see, add more reverb to the top line.
Yeah.
Yeah, one thing that I'm hearing is some kind of like human whistle.
That's sick.
Maybe just have it like that actually.
Would it be able to do like a little doo-doo-doo at the end?
Yeah.
And then just slap a sound shifter on it and just see if we can fuck it up. And maybe bring it up to a more drill tempo if you want.
Yeah, it's only on 37 now. I can make it a bit quicker.
Yeah, if you want. I think we have space to bring it up for sure. Sometimes it can sound like too like robot-y if you speed up, but I think we're good.
We get some arcade.
Yes, I think so.
Easier for vocals, isn't it?
Of course.
That's hard.
Yeah. And then we could add variation in the second half.
Yeah.
Does it go down to C4? Yeah.
Oh, here we
Let's
go.
just see what else we got there. Yes.
There we go.
Whatever that one is. Up one. Right after that. Yes, I think that's
there we go. Maybe that?
Yeah. Bring that size down and you'll see it might sound more intimate. And real quick, can we go into the bus and just like bring it down like 2 semitones or something?
You get sick of it.
Just, or down 3. Oh. That's Crazy.
Yeah, that's hard.
Crazy. So if we even just use the claps to do a sort
Like
of
the
a thing.
drill.
Oh, actually, remove the second one. Just like that, like a sort of like a.
Yeah, that's hard.
So they could be the strong ones, and then we could have like lower ones in there.
Yeah, that's hard.
Yeah, that's hard.
Oh, that type of shit.
Yeah. Back to that same one again. Should we do one last pitch change and then go straight for the drums?
Alright, let's do it. I'm gonna bring it up and then send it.
Yes.
I'll make it more even so it's like
Yeah,
the same
I like
amount
the
maybe.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's perfect.
Yeah.
That one.
Like
Yeah,
that.
something real clicky. Yeah. Just yeah. There we go.
There we go.
He's in there somewhere. Hard. I feel like it'll complement the 808 because it goes down to
Yeah,
a C.
sometimes when it starts like too high, it don't hit the same, does it?
Yeah, like we're gonna get it down to a C then with this one.
So we've just added a couple fills, done a quick arrangement, and we'll show you what we've got so far. Sick we had some like actual whistle that in.
I know. We could do that at the end if we have time.